start our countdown for the close. It's not all that bad because the market is going to be ending around that 19,300 handle off the day's lows, at least 50 points off the day's low, and just exactly at the 50 DMA for the Nifty. So that's also another interesting point. But yes, there was a sell from the top, and that is something that can't be ignored. So that is a little bit of negativity. I'll just quickly talk about the stocks which were weak. So commodities and IT, those have been the weakest sort of links in terms of today's trading action. Coal India is ending down 2.5%. Hindalco is down 2%. BPCL, ONGC, your entire commodities universe, whether it's metals or oil and gas or materials like coal. Then you've got IT, TCS down 2%, Infosys down about 1.5%, Wipro lower. Then there's Hero Moto. Beyond these two sectors, there's Hero Moto, which is down about 2.5%. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Auto, Titan, some of the other weak names. Actually, it's a long list of losers out there. Adani stocks were positive throughout. There's no taking away from that. Adani Enterprises and Ports. And some green on Maruti and Eicher. So, Nigel, very mixed trends when it comes to autos. You've got Hero Moto on the way down and some of these others which found some green.
Indeed. Let's talk about the green then. Concord Biotech, well, that listed today up close to around 27% in trade. Smaller stock, Mukta Arts, we don't talk about very often, but it's coming up as one of the top buzzers today. So that was up more than 10%. Gabriel India was up another 10% in today's trading session. That stock's been doing quite well. BEML Land, well, that stock was up close to around 10%. SP Apparels as well was higher in today's trading session. And we also had Welspun Enterprises. Well, that one was up close to around 9%. Add to the list. Now, Krishna Diagnostics as well. The short point is, though the markets are ending lower with a cut of close to around 80 points odd, well, there are plenty of stocks that were up more than 10 to around 15% from the broader markets.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. No dearth of them, Nigel. And that's been the story, right, for the last... on down days as well, and we've had a few of those down days. So can't take away from that fact. Market breadth, though, some 400 stocks more on the downside as compared to stocks which ended. So 1,000 stocks are higher and about 1,400 stocks are lower. That was the sort of long and short of it. Look at names like Gokuldas Exports. I mean, 8.5% there. Mayur Unicotas 5%. Just going down the list here. TRF, which is a material handling company, 12% there. So many names. Orient Cement, I think we highlighted earlier. There is Krishna Diagnostics, I think we highlighted. So, yeah, I mean, no dearth of single stock movers, especially if you go down the market cap curve coming through. So, we end with just about an 80-odd point cut. For the week, we are down 0.75%, which is 145 points in the red. That's Friday to Friday. It's a wrap on the session. Closing bell. Don't go anywhere. Our Friday special, Smart Money.